Welcome to our channel. If you want to avoid costly tax filing mistakes that can delay your refund or trigger an audit, follow these step-by-step instructions to file accurately. Step 1. Double-check your Social Security number and those of your dependents. Transposed digits are one of the most common errors that delay processing. Step 2. Verify your filing status is correct. Choose from single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow with dependent child based on your situation. Step 3. Report all income sources including W-2s, 1099s, investment income, and side gig earnings. The IRS receives copies of these documents and will notice discrepancies. Step 4. Claim all eligible deductions and credits, but don't exaggerate. Common mistakes include incorrectly claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or education credits. Step 5. Do the math correctly or use tax software to calculate automatically. Mathematical errors are extremely common on paper returns. Step 6. Sign and date your return. Unsigned returns are not valid and will be rejected or returned. Step 7. Choose direct deposit for faster refunds and provide accurate bank account and routing numbers. Step 8. Keep copies of your tax return and supporting documents for at least 3 years. File electronically when possible to reduce errors and get confirmation of receipt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.